Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps you need to follow in order to change the quality of your username QR code on the Telegram app for PC after the latest update. This update makes it easier to customize the way your QR code looks, whether you want it sharper, clearer, or just presented in a different format. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings quickly. Once the app is open, look at the top of the page. There, you'll see 3 small horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on those lines to open the main menu. From this menu, you'll see several options, but the one we want is My Profile. Click on it to open your personal profile page. This section shows your display photo, username, and all the details linked to your Telegram account. Now focus on the username area. Next to it, you'll notice a small QR code symbol. Click on this symbol, and it will instantly open up your personal QR code that links directly to your Telegram username. This feature comes in handy when you want to share your profile quickly with friends, colleagues, or anyone without having to type or spell out your username. Here's the new part introduced in the latest update. Once your QR code is open, you will see an option to choose the quality. This allows you to adjust how sharp and high resolution your QR code appears. Simply select the quality level you prefer. A higher quality setting is especially useful if you plan to save, print, or share the QR code in places where clarity really matters. After choosing your desired quality, your QR code will automatically update. From here, you can download it, share it directly, or just save it for later use. And that's it. You've successfully changed your username QR code quality using the Telegram app on PC. This method is straightforward, and it ensures your QR code looks perfect no matter how you plan to use it. If you found this tutorial helpful, take a moment to try it out yourself and see how much more versatile your QR code can be with this new option.